So it's time to go back to our web server checklist. Things that JavaScript needed so that we could use it to build a web server. We've already seen that we can organize our code in better ways into reusable pieces using modules. Node.js provided modules, and now coming are ES6 modules as part of JavaScript as implemented by a JavaScript engine. But now we've also seen that we have ways to deal with files. Node has provided both synchronous and asynchronous abilities to pull binary data into a buffer so that we can work with it. So we can work with raw zeros and ones using buffers in Node. And we can do so both synchronously by waiting for the whole contents and asynchronously by having a callback run when the event of opening or getting that file is done, and we can do other things. So we have the ability to work with binary data. And we've also seen a way to deal with work that takes a long time. Just that very asynchronous concept is one of them. We can keep our code running in the V8 engine while other things are happening asynchronously within Node or in the operating system. And the event loop helps us then to know when that happens, and when V8 is done working, it will execute the callback that we ask it to. And we've also seen streams. Rather than dealing with large amounts of data at a time, we can deal with data a chunk at a time, so that even though it still takes time for those things to happen, we can deal with it in a way that's both more performant, better performing, and is less intense for our application. So we're working our way through it. Node is providing us what we need in order to be able to build a web server and deliver websites and web applications and a lot more. In fact, that's the very next thing we're going to talk about. Let's talk about how Node helps us to communicate over the internet and send the standard requests and responses that are in the backbone of the World Wide Web, web pages, web apps, and the internet as we know it today.